Welcome! Today we're unboxing and exploring the Caveo TS007 3-star key and key-in-turn Euro dimple cylinders. Top tier security solutions for your customers' doors. Caveo cylinders come packaged in a sturdy, easily identifiable box, making them a great product for displaying both in storefronts and in the racking in the back of your van. The certifications and classifications are clearly displayed on the bottom of the packaging, and each box is also labelled to show the product code, size, splits and finish. Inside the box you'll find the cylinder itself, 3 keys with optional black identification inserts, a fixing bolt, installation instructions and a registration activation card, all neatly packaged for easy storage or display. Additional colour inserts are available to order separately. The Caveo TS007 cylinder features a stylish dual finish with a nickel plated body and satin brass plug that fits with most home aesthetics. It offers a high resistance to bumping, picking and drilling, and also includes a sacrificial cut, so when attacked the cylinder purposely snaps on the external side and locks the cam in place using Caveo Secure technology. Certified to BSEN 1303, it's also fire door rated to 30 minutes, sold secure, diamond certified and secured by design accredited. The distinctive Caveo blue cam and 9 to 11 pin reversible mechanism further enhance its security profile. The cylinder is available in various sizes from 70mm to 120mm. with different combinations to ensure the perfect fit for your door. This flexibility allows you to choose the right size for your specific needs. Installation is straightforward. Simply insert the cylinder into your lock, secure it in place with the fixing bolt and test the keys to make sure that they work. The product is designed to provide an easy and secure installation experience. Its robust design and advanced features provide peace of mind against breaking attempts, and it comes with a £2,000 break-in guarantee upon registration. Explore other security solutions from Caveo, such as the Caveo dimple rim cylinder. This product offers similar high security features and is the perfect companion for a comprehensive security setup. We also stock a range of complementary products, including a pinning kit for keying alike the Caveo rim cylinders, additional key blanks in both plastic and metal headed versions, and different coloured inserts. The Caveo TS007 3-star dimple cylinder in key or key-in-turn configuration are an excellent choice for upgrading your customers' door security. They're available for same-day dispatch from Aldridge. Visit the link in the description and secure your customer's home or business with Caveo.